Now let's look at how to import data file which is not a SAS data file. If it is a SAS data file, you will have SAS data file appearing in the libraries here somewhere, right? And you can just drag and drop it at that point. But if you have an Excel data file that you want to bring in, Excel files will not show up here in the libraries. Okay? And importing Excel data files are very easy. So you go to Open, Data, okay, and you see all the SAS files as well as other files, including Excel files, are displayed here. So let's select products. Okay, then it gives you some information. So here is where this SAS data set will be saved. So you will convert the Excel file and then save it in Word. If you want to change this, you can change it to somewhere where you do have read and write access. So now this Excel file has two sheets and we want the product list. Okay. The first row of the range contains field names, so which is good. So now you see the fields that are coming in, tells you what is the source name of the column, what is the name that will be used in SAS data set, okay, what is the variable label, what is the type, what is the format for the type, okay, and then the length and the output format. So we're going to make a couple of changes here. The first one to product ID. So instead of F1, so we're going to change it to, click modify, the first one, product ID. Now the field name cannot have space. Okay, remember that. You cannot have blank space inside the field name. Labels can have that. So we can say product space label. Okay. And this is a product label, so let's change the type to string and then click OK. Okay, source name F1 is now converted to product ID in the output file. Okay. Now we are going to also finish. Alright, so let's see. Next and finish. So now we have product ID, product line, and so on. So now we have this process flow, okay, and we have import data products.xlsx, that's good, and then imported data. Okay. Now if you want to go and modify, you can modify the action like going and right clicking and modifying. So now if you look at work, fresh, you see products there. The Excel file data that we imported has been converted to products, and that is in work library.